Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to reuse this socks. So make two pieces. Now we are going to fill it with this filling. You can also use cotton in place of this. Now using this rubber band, tie a knot at the top. We are also making a partition. So tie a knot at the center as well. We are also tying it with a thread. Now take another socks and make three pieces out of it. We are going to make the hat and dress of the snowman. So we're going to make the hat first and tie a knot at the top as well, like this. Cover the bottom as well, and look how pretty this is looking. Decorate it more like this. We are putting this bow and eyes and put its nose as well. We are also putting some color like this using your finger, and look, your beautiful snowman soft toy is ready. Going to use these bamboo sticks. First make a star shape. Now using this jute rope, we are going to cover the corners of the star like this. Put a hanging on one side and some pearls as well, and look, your star hanging is ready. Add more pearls and look, it's done. Make more such hangings. First, we are going to take this empty bottle and mark lines on the top of it, cut it and paste it on the top of this cardboard in the shape of this shoe. Now we are going to paste some foam around it. We are going to cover the empty portions like this. Give it shape and look, it's done. After this, we are going to use this double-sided tape and paste it around the shoe and cover it like this. Cut the bottom part as well. Now take some colorful ropes and paste it on the top of the shoe using hot glue gun. You can take whatever color you like. Look, it's ready. Similar way, we are going to put socks on the top, cover it with bow and some more pom-pom balls and more decoration pieces, and look, your beautiful shoe ornaments are ready. You can make more such colorful. We're going to make this creative craft today, so let's get started. First, we need this empty bottle. Cover this bottle with jute rope. You can also use a normal rope in place of this. Now we are making this base. Cover it as well using jute rope and fabric. Now put these beautiful Christmas ornament inside it and paste all of them on the top of the base like this. You can also add some Santa Claus leather, some leaves like this. We're also putting this cherries, and look at this beautiful decoration is ready for. We're going to cover this square box. We're using this white strip of paper, cover it and make this square shape. Now we are going to paste a hanging and ribbon at the top. After this, we are making beautiful faces like this. Now these some stars, and look, it's ready. Similar way, you can make more such designs. You can use glitter paper and make Santa Claus and more such pieces like this, and look, these are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.